guys, it's me, Ryan. I'm going to be playing with some good slime. Hold on, let me get it out of the container. Lots of slime. You guys like this slime. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up and give us 2,000 likes. Click that bell button. And you will play for X. I'm not trying to do that on purpose. That's what I did. See this line? I'm doing this on my phone. Ah! See? Okay. Let's see this line. Hold on. Got stuck on me. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Hide my shirt. My shirt is good. Bye guys, don't forget to give 2,000 likes and press that bell button and give us a big thumbs up. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.